got the LS Fest tomorrow at the Texas Motor Speedway, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be there. Alrighty guys, left lane with the Camaro and a 579.
Number 2 with a 367. James Satterwhite, number 3 with a 517. 810. And we will have 2 more that didn't go down the track. And obviously the crew chiefs are looking to make adjustments and step it up.
I don't know, man. There's gonna be plenty of people at the LS Fest tomorrow. At the Texas Motor Speedway. I don't usually go there. Yeah, I don't usually go there. That's usually out of my jurisdiction. The live most likely ain't gonna be working. I ain't got no sponsors. 866. Do I need a pass? I don't know. I ain't finna be messing around at these other tracks. Probably need all kind of passes. They gonna have it. Yeah. Freaking 50 to get in. Another 40 to go on this side. 80 more for media. I ain't finna be playing with these people, man. Look out, look out. I don't like paying. Y'all don't like it, me neither. We got Joe Hernandez, didn't even go on TikTok, just came right here, y'all. Cole Waltz online talking about he just made some ribs in the oven and they was so good. He probably ain't had no Sweet Baby Radar. You going to I-30 again? I don't know. It's gonna be good content for everybody. Everybody gonna be at the LS Fest tomorrow thinking that, oh yeah, dude, this is gonna be some special content that's gonna make you go viral. They're really gonna watch this. Even though there's like freaking 8 more channels, maybe more, streaming the same thing. Matter of fact, you can't even stream it because there's so many people here. Yeah, dude, you're gonna need to record it like everyone else. Then you're gonna have people like 13, 20 there. Yeah, they're gonna get most of your views. They're not gonna want to watch yours because they're gonna be, look out, look out.
Look out.
You going to the LS Fest tomorrow?
I'm gonna be here.
Oh, you gonna be up here?
Yeah. I gotta stay in the corner.
Okay, I got you. You already told your uncle about my channel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, he told his uncle.